There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see.
Today we are going to see the biggest waterfall in Germany, which is the Triberg Waterfall. I hope it's a really beautiful place and you're gonna like it. Come with me, let's explore it together.
There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by. All kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance
I barely started to walk only 3 minutes ago, and we already found this beautiful rock. It feels like, you know, the rock from the fairy tales, which makes you travel time. This forest is really nice. I hope you like it too.
I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see. Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
This place is just really nice, and you can find little nuts everywhere because people can give nuts to squirrels and you can see them run around. Unfortunately I couldn't catch any yet, but they are really nice.
Storm, a lightning strike as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden,